Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Aleeza, and in today's video we are going to see what is variables. So some of you might know what is variables and some of you might not. So first we will see where is variable used for and where is it used. Okay, so variable plays a very important role in programming. Variable are used to store values to be represented and functioned in a computer. To store values or anything such that have any kind of value, variables are being used for that. And why do we need variables? Is it always necessary to use variables, and is it okay if we don't use variables? So the answer is here. Variables are needed to run all the types of programs or anything you are using. As a program runs, it needs to hold information in its memory. Variables allow us to store, change, and access this information as the program runs. Variables can store all sorts of information. So we have a very beautiful example shown over here, which says that variables are a placeholder for unknown values. Don't you agree for that? We have variables in maths, even in computers, and many such things, programming and many things. So in this example, they are telling us that placeholder for unknown values. So this you can see 10. This is the value. No, yeah, this is the value, and this 2x is the variable. Okay, so it says variables usually denoted by letters or symbols like x, a, 0, o, y, z, or name, age, anything. Okay, so now we will move on to the next slide, which says what exactly variable is. So variable is a container which stores value in it, right? It will store values in it, and variable can be any letter or word, as I said in the previous slide. Then variable name uses is equal to sign to store values in it. This is the most and very most important pointer, which is this is equal to sign. If you don't put the is equal to sign, I don't know what is going to happen, but some error is going to come. Okay, so don't all forget to put the is equal to sign. Third point is also very important, which says variable name cannot start with a number. It cannot. Okay, so you should always start a variable by any kind of letter or any name, something like age. 1 minute. Yeah, age, or anything you could say, like a name is equal to so and so, age is equal to this, a is equal to this, or you can even say like str1 int 1 2, anything you could say, or value also you could write, variable also you could write, anything. Now I'm going to give you a very quick example for programming. So here you can see, as the example is write a program to join two strings together. So string is also a kind of variable thing only. You can see these are the strings. Now the important thing is that the string, you can see str1 and str2 is our variable, and below beside that we have is equal to signs, you can see. Then in the quotation marks we have world and hello, you can see that. Okay, so this to express our value, you always need to put quotation marks for programming. So in this case, the statement which we have used to print is, I will also write over here that print bracket, round brackets, and then the quotation marks, combination of two strings is comma quotation marks should be closed at this point of time. Okay, see, it's not been seen. I'll show you that quotation marks need to be closed here. Okay, and then after this we will be writing the value, which is string 1 plus string 2. And the last and the final thing for this command is bracket closed. So this will be the main statement you should use for printing it as a variable and all such things. So you can also see over here, this is the output area of this, input area of this. You can see this also says combination of two string is and hello world. You can see I have also written the same thing, combination of two string is comma, then in red color thing you can see that is hello plus world, so it is presenting as that. So I hope you understood this. If yes, please do hit the like button, share my video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel Aleeza Codes, and see you in my next video. Thank you, bye.